Hello, hello, Sagittarius Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Kamusta po kayong lahat? And welcome po sa James Tarot PH. Diretso na po tayo sa inyong monthly reading for July 2025. So Sagittarius, kung naman lang yung makaresonate ka ha and leave the rest. Yung pong ibang impormasyon para po sa ibang Sagittarius yun. Kaya relax ka lang. Enjoy our reading for today and use your intuition para makuha mo yung akmang-akmang messages na kalob sa iyo ng iyong spirit guide sa ating reading for today. So mga Sag dyan, meron din tayong isang tanong, isang sagot later at the end of our reading. Kung meron kang isang tanong, i-reserve mo yan later. Huwag mo isulat sa baba ha, sa isip mo lang. And sasagutin po natin yan at the end of our reading. Kaya stay tuned and wait for that sa dulo po ng monthly reading natin. Okay? So Sagittarius, thank you again for not skipping the ads saka po sa mga nagdo-donate po sa ating channel. Thank you po sa inyong generosity and kindness. Maraming salamat po every time na meron po tayong reading sa channel na ito para po sa inyo. Thank you for your support and for your love. So thank you for not skipping the ads. So Sagittarius, ano naghihintay sa inyo ngayong buong July 2025? Inhale and exhale. At the center of your reading, you have the Moon card. In the area of what you want, you have the Temperance card. In the area of what you need, you have the Three of Swords. Lovely. In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Eight of Swords. In the area of your near future, meron kang Eight of Wands. Wow! 8-8 is abundance. Congratulations. In the area of your challenge of the month, you have the Two of Swords. In the area of your fortune, meron kang Knight of Swords. Lovely. Mabilis sa darating sa'yo. Congratulations. In the area of your divine advice, meron kang Emperor card. At ang outcome mo of the month, Sagittarius, pag-usapan natin siya later. Sabay-sabay ito siya bubuksan. But first, bago natin buksan at basahin in detail mode kada card mo, ano muna ang lingering energy mo in your background na magagamit mo for the month. Okay? You have the Nine of Wands. Yes, not giving up. Okay? Ito yung buwan na sinasabi sa'yo, Sagittarius, ng iyong spirit guides to not give up. Ito yung pagkakataon mo to continue fighting for what you want, continue doing kung ano yung pinagusumika pa mong matapos, kung ano yung binubuo mo, kung ano yung ina-achieve mo for the month. Sabi ni spirit guides, huwag mo daw sukuan. Malapit ka nang matapos, marami mo nang ma-achieve yung sagot, malapit mo nang makuha yung required mong resulta mula sa plano mo, eto na siya, okay? Kaya ito yung panahon na wag ka mag-iisip na huminto o wag ka mag-iisip na parang, ay, bitawan ko na lang. No, continue fighting for it, continue getting it, continue pursuing it. Give your all hanggang dulo, okay? Ito yung pagkakataon na talagang itetest ka din. It's all a card of testing, okay? Itetest ka this month kung gaano mo kagusto ang isang bagay. I-test din yung vision mo, i-test din yung pananalig mo, yung core value mo, even your faith will be tested. So make sure na yung eyes ay on the prize, okay? Your eyes is on the prize. Don't quit, don't stop, and don't think na hindi mo kakayanin because kaya mo. Ang dami mo nang pinagdaanan, no? Ang dami mo nang ginawa in accomplishing this. So bakit ka pahihinto this time? Fight, continue, get this, okay? Don't quit. So yan ang paunang mensahe sa'yo in the element of your background for the month, Sagittarius. Sa pag-usapan natin ng yung spread, but first, ilan muna ang yung major arcana. You have three major arcana. You have the Temperance card, you have the Moon card, and you have the Emperor card. Tatlong card very prominent sa buhay mo sa buwan na ito. Sabi ng yung major arcana, marami daw bagay na gusto mong buuin pero natatakot ka because there are a lot of things na hindi ka sure. There are a lot of things na hidden sa'yo, secret sa'yo, na parang hindi ko po alam patutunguhan, hindi ko po alam ang gagawin ko, pwede pa ba, may resulta pa ba, para sa akin pa ba to, nagkakamali na ba ako, anong gagawin, hindi ko po alam. So marami kang questions sa iba't ibang bagay sa buhay mo this time. And you're just pursuing it. Napaka-pasensyosa mo in doing this. Pero takot na takot ka. Pero sabi ni Spirit Guides, you really need to be strong. With the Emperor card here, you need to be strong, you need to be assertive, you need to be kailangan mo mag-persevere, kailangan mo talagang idire-diretso ito. Don't quit. Yun yung pauna sa'yo ng yung lingering background. Do not quit because may lakas ka pa, kaya mo pa. You have the might, you have the power, ready ka to conquer this. Kaya kahit malabo man, maraming hindi sigurado, maraming unsure, dahil sa tiyaga at sipag mo at dedication mo sa bagay na to, makukuha mo yung magandang resulta dyan, Sagittarius, okay? Now is not the right time to quit. Now is the right time for you to continue, to persevere, to fight, to be brave, and conquer the unknown. Okay? Conquer the unknown. Okay? So napakagandang mensahe sa'yo from your major arcana na tatlo dito sa life mo for the month. Okay? So pag-usapan natin ang yung buong spread, bawat cards in detail mode. At the center, you have the major arcana, the moon card. Yes, maraming bagay sa buhay mo like I've said kanina na may mga bagay na unknown, may mga bagay na unclear. Saan ako pupunta? Ito ba yung tamang career? Ito ba yung purpose ko? Siya ba yung para sa akin? Bakit niya ako iniwan? Bakit ganito nangyari? Bakit ako na-reject? Bakit ako na-late? Bakit nasira yung ganito? Bakit hindi sa akin napunta? So you have a lot of questions. There are a lot of unknown things. And you feel like life is parang unfair sa'yo, no? May mga bagay siguro sa buhay mo this time na parang feeling mo bakit unfair, bakit hindi ko nakuha, I've been working so hard with the 9 of Wands here, napaka hardworking mo naman, bakit ka nag-fail, bakit na-delay, bakit hindi mo makuha. You have a lot of questions. Ang narinig ko, sabi ng spirit guides mo, things will come at the right time. God is preparing bigger things for you, pero ibibigay niya sa'yo yon sa oras na kinakailangan mo na siya o sa oras na plano niyang ibigay sa'yo. Okay? Ngayon, sabi ni God, ni spirit guides, parang pinapatatag niya yung spiritual power mo, pinapatatag niya yung sarili mo, yung faith mo. Kaya meron mga tests sa life mo this time na parang hanggang saan ba kayang gawin ni Sagittarius para lang matupad tong pangarap niya, para lang makamit niya yung gusto niya, hanggang saan yung kaya niya ibigay, kaya niya i-sacrifice, kaya niyang gawin, yung limitations mo, yung faith mo, gano'n ba kalaki yan in order for you na ma-achieve ito. Sabi ni spirit guides, kahit madilim ang daan, kahit parang feeling mo you're so left in the cold or left in the dark, pero kung naniniwala ka na itong daan na to ay para patungo sa pangarap mo, go, push it, continue it, fight for it. There's power in doing things even if you don't know when and how you're gonna do it. No? May power daw doon, and that is faith. That is parang pananalig, pananampalataya sa bagay mo na gusto mong gawin, pananampalataya sa sarili mo, pananampalataya sa Diyos. So if you have those three, you can achieve this. Kaya mo lagpasan itong moon card. Kaya mong itawid hanggang sa dulo ng journey na to. Kaya mong maabot yung light at the end of the tunnel. It's just you pushing and continue doing this. Okay? Use your intuition daw this time. Parang sabi ni spirit guides, while you're conquering the dark journey, while you're doing the struggle sa bagay na to, sa kadiliman or sa kahirapan ng pagpunta mo sa goal mo na ito, kahit parang feeling mo you're on the verge of giving up, you're on the verge of quitting, just use your intuition. Parang, okay, siguro pwede pa, kaya pa, laban pa. Ito talagang gusto mo eh. Pag naramdaman mo, alam mo sa intuition mo na, this is what I want, why should I stop? Continue moving forward, okay? The moon card is being clarified by the 8 of Pentacles. Yes, work on this. Continue cultivating your talent, your skills. Alam ko na ito'y para sa kinabukasan mo. You're solidifying your career. You're solidifying your industry. Kung saan ka itatanim, kung saan ka mag-grow, kung saan ka mahapakinabangan mo to for a very long time. Malakas ang tawag na it's all about your money. It's all about your career and work. So parang ngayon, sabi ni Spirit Guides, kung nahihirapan ka man ngayon o hindi ka sure sa path na yan, sa industry na yan, sa growth na yan, parang sabi ni Spirit Guides, just have to wait and see because this is you growing. Kaya siguro maraming friction, maraming mga unknown things, maraming mga adjustments sa sobrang hirap na hirap ka. It's because God is giving you tests for you to grow, for you to achieve your better self. Para malinang mo yung skills mo, malinang mo yung talent mo, malinang mo yung creative part mo, and also your spiritual power. In order for you to be stable enough, to be stronger enough to conquer until the end. Okay? Ngayon, cultivate. Palakasin mo pa, paganahin mo pa, payabungin mo pa yung skills mo, yung talent mo, yung ginagawa mo, kung saan ka ba magaling, kung yung expertise mo in your chosen field, and continue doing it. Don't stop. There's no reason for you to stop. Okay? I know you're questioning na a lot of things. Mga kina-question mo na yung decision mo, kina-question mo na yung nakaraan mo, siguro kina-question mo na rin bakit ka nandito, bakit ito yung ginawa mo, ganyan. So, if you're doing that, you're not gonna accomplish anything. Just push through. Kompletuhin mo to, accomplish this until the end. Don't quit because nakita ko na the right result will come to you at the end, okay? In the area of what you want, you have the Temperance card. Yes, you've been working so hard. You're the alchemist for a very long time. Nililipat mo tong tubig ng paulit-ulit because you know na kapag huminto ka, masasayang. Pag huminto ka, baka matapon. So parang ikaw, gawa ka ng gawa. You're very hardworking. You're very patient, very persevering. Para sa bagay na to, you know na when this comes through para sa'yo, alam mo maganda ang bunga nito. You're not wasting your time here, Sagittarius. You're not wasting your time. There is something valuable para sa'yo. Kaya ngayon sabi ni Spirit Guides, you are protected with Archangel Michael. Just do what you can. take one day at a time, one step at a time. You don't have to rush. There is a card of talagang doing the process, okay? Nasa gitna ka ngayon ng ginagawa mo, talaga makakaya mo para sa prosesong ito. Wala kang hakbangan na delay o wala kang gagawing shortcut, because shortcut will lead to complications o pagkagulo sa sistema. So parang sabi ni Spirit Guides, just do the traditional way on how to accomplish this. Someone in your life will recognize you. Someone in your life will see how hard you sweat, on how hard you push yourself para lang ma-accomplish to. I'm hearing malapit ka nang matapos sa ginagawa mo na ito, ma-accomplish mo na siya. Kung papers man yan, or meron kang inaasikaso na pagbuo sa bahay, pagbuo sa negosyo, or transferring from one job, o meron task ka from your boss, malapit nang matapos yung pasensya mong ginagawa dyan, makakompleto mo na yan, magagawa mo na yan, ma-achieve mo na yung good result, okay? The Temperance cards being clarified by the Wheel of Fortune. Yes, iikot na ang kapalaran, pabor sa'yo ang kapalaran this time, oh, with the Wheel of Fortune. Ibig sabihin, swerte ka this time. The opportunity is now, okay? Is now for you to get the good result from this. So parang ikaw ginagawa mo talaga ang lahat, because alam mo na ito yung magbabangon sa'yo sa kahirapan. Ito ang magbibigay sa'yo ng solid job, magbibigay sa'yo ng solid money, solid income. Kaya ikaw naman, talagang mulat ang mata mo at isipan mo na kailangan mo tong tapusin. Kailangan mo tong achievein, kailangan mo tong gawin, kailangan mo tong pagtiyagaan, because alam mo na ito magbibigay sa iyo ng magandang kapalaran. Okay? So, your spirit guides are telling you, both in this card, both you are protected by Archangel Michael and by destiny. Okay? Kung ano man yung ma-achieve mo dyan, yan yung destined mong makukuha. The universe is favoring you this time, Sagittarius. So, you don't need to quit. You don't need to feel na parang walang nangyari, because something is brewing, okay? Something is brewing in your life. Merong kumukulo, merong naluluto, may nangyayari. So, may magaganap dito, and the result is in your favor. You will get the beautiful result from this na bagay na pinagkatrabahuhan mo, okay? In the area of what you need to forget what's painful in the past, okay? Naapektuhan ng trabaho mo ngayon yung mga nangyari before. Yes, you're a wounded warrior. Yes, you have accomplished or experienced a lot in your life. Nag-fail ka na many times, na-disappoint ka na many times, natanggal ka na from different jobs many times. Probably you were rejected from different jobs, or maraming ka na naging conflict from past jobs or past works, past experiences, na talaga namang feeling mo nagaganap siya ulit this time. O feeling mo baka mangyari, kaya you're on the verge of quitting, you're on the verge of losing hope. Pero sabi ni Spirit Guides, use all of your experiences in the past, okay? What you need is a valuable lesson from the past para makita mo, hindi ako mag-quit, because ilang beses nang na-derail, ilang beses nang na-discarrel lahat ng ginawa mo in the past. So why quit now? Ito yung moment for you to really persevere and continue. May mga lessons kang kailangan mo daw bunutin from the past. I'm hearing kung meron ka mang kinakaharap ngayon na problema, hanapin mo daw from your past yung kaparehong problem, kaparehong experiences, at alamin mo kung ano natutunan mo doon at i-apply mo this time. There is a valuable experience in the past na pwede mo ma-apply this time para alam mo yung solusyon moving forward, okay? I'm hearing kasi na kaya napipigilan ka to achieve what you want because may humaharang na past trauma or past person that really hurt you before and is now coming back to hurt you again. Kaya parang feeling mo, ayan, pasuko ka na naman because the same experiences is going back again. So ngayon sabi ni Spirit Guides, mas lalong hindi ka dapat huminto. Okay? Mas lalong dapat kang lumaban and mag-persevere so that this will not come back. Okay? Very, very profound para sa'yo. Congratulations, Sagittarius, because I know na malalagpasan mo to. Nalampasan mo na before, kayang-kaya mo siyang lampasan ulit now. Okay? The Three of Swords being clarified by the Two of Cups. Yes. Kung alam mong ito'y para sa'yo, kung gaano mo ka treasure itong ginagawa mo ngayon, because this is Two of Cups, so talagang soulmate match ito. Nakikita ko dito na kung anong trabaho o endeavor o goal na ginagawa mo this time, kung alam mo na importante sa'yo to, ito talaga yung magbibigay sa'yo ng satisfaction, do not quit. Do not use the past experiences as an excuse para huminto dito. Parang sabi mo, hindi, nangyari yan before, hindi, ito na naman, suko na naman ako, ito na naman yung nangyayari. Huwag mo daw gamitin excuse yung before. Your past trauma should never affect your current endeavor. Ang ganda na mangyayari dito, ang ganda na mangyayari. This is a soulmate match. Contracts, negotiation going through, agreement na yes ang sagot. So, ang daming magagandang mangyayari sa'yo. Kailangan mo lang talagang i-dedicate ang sarili mo in accomplishing this, because kung lagi ka maapektuhan ng dating nangganap, at lagi mo i-apply yung pain dito, yung trauma dito, and extend mo yung pain dito, wala mangyayari, okay? Just use them as a lesson, not as a bittering part na magiging mapakla yung ginagawa mo this time, okay? A lesson ang kailangan mong kunin, not the bitterness from those experiences, okay? In the area of what's affecting your current energy, you have the Eight of Swords. Hindi ka stuck, hindi ka mag-isa. Ito ang nakaka-apekto dito, kaya nahihirapan kang tumulay sa journey na ito, okay? Itong journey mo with the Moon card, ito yung journey in the dark times. Parang sobrang hirap, sobrang pagod, akala mo wala ng solusyon, akala mo mag-isa ka, akala mo wala ng hope. But if you have that intuition within you na kailangan ko itong idiretso, kailangan ko itong gawin, hindi ako dapat mag-give up because ang ganda ng future, ang ganda ng outcome, yun ang panghawakan mo. Pero dahil nahihirapan ka rito because of this, Eight of Swords, masyadong self-limiting thoughts. Unti lang yun naiisip mong solusyon, kaya akala mo wala ng way. You're just focusing on one solution kasi. Kaya akala mo walang way out. Kaya akala mo walang daan palabas o walang solusyon dito because you're just focusing on one solution. You have option A, option B, option C, hanggang D, hanggang Z, and you should visit those options para makawala ka dito. Lagi mo sinasabi na hindi mo kaya, lagi mo sinasabi na wala ng solusyon. Those are self-limiting thoughts. Akala mo lang yan. Nasa isip lang yan. But there are a lot of ways, okay? Makakawala ka dito. Use your strength. Huwag mo daw pag-focusan yung iyong negative traits. Kung halimbawa, mahina ka sa math, mahina ka sa ganito, huwag ka mag-focus doon. Doon ka mag-focus sa strength mo. Saan ka ba magaling? Sales talk? Magaling ka ba sa pag-convince? Magaling ka ba sa drawing? Magaling ka ba sa magaling ka ba sa pag-organize? Use your strength para makawala ka sa iyong pagka-stuck dito, okay? It's all in the mind. It's all in the mind. Kaya mo tong solusyonan. Cultivate your skills, especially here with the Eight of Pentacles. Kaya mong i-work out ito hanggang dulo, okay? The Nine of Swords being clarified by the Sun card, yes. Ngayon, you just want to be free. You just want to know the truth. The Sun card is all about being free, knowing the whole truth and nothing but the truth para maging maligaya ka na. Ngayon, sabi dito, kailangan mong kumawala dito. Kailangan mong malaman yung katotohanan na hindi ka mahina, na hindi ka nag-iisa, na meron pang ibang solusyon. That is the truth that you need to know. Okay? Yung mga truth na yun, yung iba pang option, plan A, plan B, plan C. Meron ka pa daw hindi na-visit na ibang paraan o ibang way para makawala ka dito. It's just that very clouded lang kasi ang mind mo ngayon o very emotional ka lang kasi this time. Kaya akala mo walang solusyon, akala mo walang way out. Very confused, very takot, very sukong-suko na. Pero kung malalaman mo lang daw yung katotohanan with the Sun card here, alam mo yung way out dito. Malalaman mo yung sagot para makawala ka dyan. So, kailangan mo doon ng enlightenment, pagkalino ng isip para makawala ka dyan. Okay? In the area of your future, ito maganda, you have the Eight of Wands, quick result. Yes, you will get a quick result out of this in the near future. Magugulat ka na lang, nandiyan na yung resulta, nandiyan na yung pinagtsagaan mo dito with the Temperance card here, nandiyan na yung bagay na hinihintay mo and magugulat ka na lang. This very overwhelming feeling. Parang, andyan na, nasunod-sunod. Parang hindi ka pa ready, hindi ka pa handa, pero nasa kamay mo na, nasa mukha mo na yung bagay na hinihintay mo. This is something that is God-given. This is good news, ha? Eight of Wands is a deliverer of good news. Katabi pa niya, si Knight of Swords. Deliverer din ng good information. So, meron ka daw makakamit in the near future. Kaya naman, huwag ka nang sumuko this time. Continue focusing on this. Tignan mo naman si Eight of Wands. Lahat ng direksyon ng Wands nakatutok lang sa isang direksyon. Ibig sabihin, if you have that same focus, same perseverance, same effort sa isang bagay, makakamit mo siya agad-agad. The quick movement is here. Meron daw quick transition doon. Mabilis mo siya. Smooth sailing, kumbaga, ang makukuha mo dyan. Congratulations. The Eight of Wands being clarified by the Ace of Cups. Yes. Sobrang saya mo with the Ace of Cups. Umaapaw, siksik, liglig ng kaligayahan because na-achieve mo yung bagay na ginugusto mo. Itong pinagpapatrabahuhan mo with the Temperance card, ito na siya. Nabuo na siya, nakuha na yung resulta at sobrang saya mo. Whether the passion project is there, naakuha mo yung trabaho, na-accomplish mo yung task, na-accomplish mo yung assignment, you are now going somewhere because Eight of Wands also is a card of travel. Kung meron mang sa inyo mag-quick travel, this is a success for you. Tagumpay ang makukuha mo rito and you're very, very happy because the good result is gonna come to you. Congratulations. In the area of your challenge for the month is a Two of Swords. Two of Swords, you're very, very guarded. Sagittarius, okay? Very, very guarded. Tingnan mo siya, ganun yung mga kamay niya sa kanyang dibdib. Pinoprotektahan niya yung sarili niya, kaya hindi siya makapag-decide. Hindi siya mahakbang because masyado mong pinapahalagahan yung comfort zone mo. You are not growing because you're protecting yourself so much. Dapat ngayon pa lang hindi ka mag-quit. Kaya siguro nasa verge ka of quitting because you're protecting yourself from achieving something or for failing something. Hindi mo malalaman ang sagot kung hihinto ka this time. Kailangan mo pa rin mag-persevere. Kailangan mo pa rin magdesisyon. Kailangan mo humakbang. You need to make decisions every day in the pursuit of what you want. At hindi mo to kailangang i-ignore o isa walang bahala o itapon. You have to make a decision. Hindi mo to pwedeng iwasan, Sagittarius. Don't guard yourself to the point that you're not growing. You will not achieve things if you're guarding yourself too much, okay? Ito yung pagkakataon na buksan ang dibdib mo. Yan, tanggalin yung mga kamay sa dibdib mo. Open up your heart, open up your mind, your eyes, para malaman mo yung tamang direksyon. Masyado ka lang takot, pero kung tatanggalin mo yung takot mo, marirealize mo na, ay hindi pala ganun kahirap magdesisyon. Hindi pala ganun kahirap harapin ang bagay na ito because ako lang pala yung initially nahatakot. And kung aalisin mo yung paunang takot na yan, may realize mo na hindi pala nakakatakot yan. Okay? You just have to sit down, face the problem, put all your cards at the table. No pun intended. Pero kung ilalantad mo lang talaga sa harapan ni problema at haharapin mo siya, you will not quit. Mahanap mo yung right solution and right decision dyan. Okay? The Two of Swords is being clarified by the Three of Cups. Yes. Nakita ko rito na parang you just need enough support from the people in your life. Okay? Nakita ko dito na parang hanapin mo daw yung support group mo, your family, your friends, your kids, your sisters, your siblings, ganyan. Kasi parang nararamdaman ko, feeling mo kasi mag-isa ka. Feeling mo mag-isa ka sa laban na to, kaya parang sukong-suko ka na o ayaw mo humakbang because you're afraid that people might laugh at you. People might see you as a failure or see you na parang, sabi na ganyan si Sagittarius mag-fail talaga siya So parang sabi ni Spirit Guides, find your tribe, find the people that supports you at nakakaalam itong plano mo. Parang sabi, if you have enough support, kakayanin mo mag-decide. If you have enough people in your back cheering for you, celebrating you, alam ko lalakas din ang loob mo na ilaban to mga desisyon na to. Hindi ka matatakot sumugal, hindi ka matatakot humakbang because may mga taong talagang sumusuporta sa'yo at yun ang kailangan mong hanapin this time. The people that genuinely loves you, genuinely supports you para magkaroon ka rin ng lakas ng loob na mag-try at kumawala sa comfort zone mo at magkaroon na ng desisyon na malinaw. Okay? In the area of your fortune, napaka-fortunate talaga. May good news sa darating. Because Knight of Swords is the deliverer of good news. May magandang balitang darating. Information based on text, based on chats, based on email, sa mga GC mo, sa mga calls mo, na magbibigay sa'yo ng good confirmation na baka ito na yung end of the struggle. Baka makukuha mo na this time yung resulta. O may development na sa tinatrabaho mo, o end na talaga of a struggle, someone giving you the payment, someone telling you, oy Sagittarius, ayos na yung papers, makakalarga ka na, may boarding pass ka na, may visa ka na, okay na yung trabaho, solid na para sa'yo, natanggap ka na ganyan. So, abangan mo daw this month, Sagittarius, ang good news para sa'yo. Kung ano man po yung inaasikaso mo, good news ang deliverer this time. Okay? The Knight of Swords being clarified by the Page of Swords. Yes. Yes. Parehong cards all about giving you the good information. Page of Swords all about getting that valuable knowledge from a text, chat, email, tawag, ganyan. Nagbibigay sila magandang balita. So, hindi ko na siya kailangan confirm because pareho siya ng messages. Talagang, there will be a time na this month, may darating sa iyo magandang balita about something at yakapin mo yun, sigurin mo because the Page of Swords is a card telling you na kahit hindi ka ganun kahanda, kahit parang feeling mo na bulaga ka sa good news na to, kailangan mo siyang yakapin, kailangan mo siyang harapin and make use out of it, okay? Gamitin mo siya in your advantage para tumagal at may stretch mo pa yung blessing na yan in your life, okay? Congratulations! In the area of your divine advice, you have that Emperor card here. Tapangan mo ang sarili mo, Sagittarius. You have to be wise this time. Kapag ba nag-quit ka dyan, ano mangyayari? Ikaw din ang talo. Kapag nag-push through ka pa at hindi ka huminto, mapapatunayan mo na magaling ka. Mapapatunayan mo na akin talaga to. The things that you're chasing for is something that you truly deserve because you didn't quit. Okay? Kailangan mong patunayan sa sarili mo na kaya mo itong lagpasan. Kaya persevere with the Emperor here. Dapat lagi kang ready sa laban. Ihanda mo lagi ang sarili mo and also use your mind more than your emotion. Ito yung pagkakataon, Sagittarius, that sabi ni Emperor, you have to be really, really disciplined. Kailangan mo maging disiplinado this time. Maging consistent ang effort, consistent ang performance, hindi lalaylay, hindi ka mawawala ng gana. Continue, fight so good because this thing is for you, okay? The Emperor is telling you, kaya mo itong pagtagumpayan. Kaya mo to ma-conquer, kaya mo matalo yung laban, kaya mo manalo dito, kailangan talaga hindi ka susuko, okay? The Emperor cards being clarified by the Two of Wands. Yes, if you have a clear vision of the future that you want to create, hindi ka susuko. Kung malinaw sa'yo kung ano yung rason kung bakit mo to nilalaban, kung bakit mo to pinagsumikapan, kung bakit go ka ng go sa bagay na to. Alam mo hindi ka susuko dito. Alam ko ipupush mo to because malinaw sa isip mo yung vision. Sabi ni Spirit Guides, dapat daw handa kang sumugal sa bagay. Don't, like I said here, samba yung kanina, huwag kang magpapakulong sa comfort zone mo. Huwag kang magpapakulong sa nakasanayan mong mundo. Dapat lagi kang handang humakbang. Handang i-conquer something unfamiliar, something na unknown sa'yo, pero alam mong doon ang destination mo, yun ang pupuntahan mo, go. Maging matapang ka daw doon. There's no growth kung takot ka. There's no growth kung lagi kang nasa comfort zone mo lang. Okay? Card of travel din to, baka meron sa inyong balak mag-abroad o mag-iba ng lugar, maglipat ng ibang probinsya o lumipat ng ibang trabaho. Tapangan mo daw sa sarili mo kung talagang travel o transfer ang gagawin mo, okay? Ang outcome mo, pag-usapan natin later. But first, magbasa muna tayo ng additional messages from the Divine. Anong karagdagan nilang payo sa'yo na makakatulong sa'yo for the whole of July. Unang-una, you have wealth o meron ka daw wealth this time. Congratulations. Kaya huwag kang huminto, huwag kang mag-quit, okay? Another message, dalawa, kunin na natin. You have arrow. You're on the right path. Oh, like I've said here, with the 8 of Wands, you're on the right path regarding some aspect of your life. So ngayon, dire-diretso mo lang yan. Huwag kang huminto, okay? Skull, hidden secrets can harm you. O huwag kang magtago ng secret at huwag ka rin makipag-chismisan with other people because secrets can also be a source of drama, a source of conflict. Kaya yung mga secrets, paratilihing secrets lang yan, okay? Another message, dark woman. Meron daw morenang babae sa buhay mo na dapat mong asikasuhin this time because may concern daw sa kanya, okay? Another message, you have bag, something important such as a new job or a raise. Congratulations. Meron daw bagong trabaho sa'yo o bagong umento sa sahod o pag-angat ng iyong posisyon. Congratulations. Another message from your divine, you have broken bridge, unsuccessful outcome to a problem. So, meron daw isang problema sa buhay mo na unsuccessful because probably ito yon. Feeling mo stuck ka, hindi ka naghahanap ng ibang solusyon or nakaka-apekto pa rin yung past experiences kaya nahihirapan ka mag-generate ng solusyon. So, make sure ngayon palinawan mo ang isip mo, tapangan mo, and have a vision of the future. Do not quit, okay? Para masolusyonan tong problem na ito, okay? Another message, you have fly, a period of ill health and depression. Yes, pagod na pagod ka na talaga. Sobrang sukong-suko ka na kaya siguro may period of ill health and depression because naapektuhan na rin yung mental health mo. Kaya sabi ni Spirit Guides, kailangan mo daw i-push pa. Cultivate your power, cultivate your strength. Okay, kailangan mo magpahinga, sige magpahinga ka for today, magpahinga ka for 2 days. Pero dapat ilalaban mo pa rin ito. Kung magpapahinga ka man, hindi yan rason para mag-quit. Magpahinga ka lang because you want to regenerate, you want to bring back your energy, your power, mag-recharge, pero continue ka pa rin sa laban, okay? Another message, you have hat, you will be playing a different role. O see, pag hindi ko huminto dito at napagtagumpayan, magkakaroon ka doon ng bagong posisyon, bagong role, bagong era ng life mo, okay? Another message, you have target, a goal-oriented person. Yes, don't lose focus on the target. Continue doing that for your goal. Another message of cobweb, protected from negative forces beyond your control. O protektado ka daw this time. Like I've said, lumabas si Archangel Michael kaya huwag ka matakot. Protektado ka daw against powerful forces against you. Okay? So bigyan kita ng additional pagpo-focusan for the month na makatulong sa'yo, parang guidepost mo para makalagpas ka ng buong July successfully. Okay? First, you have doubt. Alisin daw ang pagdududa. Ito yun with the 8 of Swords. Alisin ang pagdududa, takot. Don't quit. Don't be afraid sa mga bagay na gagawin mo. Ilaban mo yan. Huwag mong pagdudahan ang sarili mong kakayanan, ang sarili mong skills. Okay? Denial. Enough of denial. Okay? Harapin mo yung mga dapat harapin. Huwag mo na itanggi. Huwag mong i-let go. Huwag mo isantabi. Harapin mo na siya. Upuan mo. Solusyonan mo with the Emperor card here. Another message, you have failure. Don't think that you're a failure. Huwag mo isipin na porke ang tagal dumating o porke may nangyari na before talunan ka o failure ka. No. You are given the chance every day to pursue what you want, to win every day. So, kailangan lang talaga ng perseverance and tiyaga. Okay? 3 bagay. Doubt, alisin ang duda sa sarili. Asa pa? Denial, wag mong pagduda, wag mo i-deny yung mga naramdaman mo. Wag mong takasan yung dapat mong harapin. Continue pursuing it with so much strength and also bravery. Okay? Failure, hindi ka failure. Okay? You're not failure. The mere fact na lumalaban ka, the mere fact na ginagawa mo to, hindi ka failure. Failure ka lang kapag huminto ka. Failure ka lang pag nag-quit ka. Yun lang ang only way na nag-fail ka. Pero hanggat lumalaban ka, hindi ka failure. Okay? Ang outcome mo pag-usapan natin. But first, ihanda mo na, Sagittarius, ang iyong isang tanong, isang sagot portion later. So, sa isip lang yan ha. Huwag mong isasulat sa baba. Okay? Your outcome for the month, Sagittarius, bago tayo pumasok ng August, you have 2 of Pentacles. Yes. balance is restored this time. At the end of July, balance na. Ang feeling na masolusyonan mo na to, yung good news sa darating sa iyo of this month with the use of Knight of Swords and the Page of Swords, yung good news sa darating, ito yung magbabalik ng balance sa buhay mo. Hindi ka na problema sa pera, hindi ka na problema sa trabaho mo, kung yan ang concern mo, kung yung good news ay manggagaling sa trabaho, balance ng lahat. Okay ka na. Hindi ka na matatakot mag-quit para makakahinga ka na maluwag. Kung ang good news ay manggagaling for your family or for your goals or dreams, magiging balance ang lahat. Ngayon parang wala ka ng takot, wala ka ng fear, wala kang alinlangan, wala ka ng pangamba. Because lahat kaya mo ng panghawakan. Na-gets mo na yung sayaw ng buhay, yung sayaw ng mga problema mo. Kaya mo ng panghawakan lahat. And you're also now getting enough sleep. Okay? Makakatulog ka ng mahimbing, enough rest for you. Kung umaga nakayod ka sa trabaho, sa gabi makakatulog ka na ng maayos. Okay? So balance ang lahat because hindi ka nag-quit. Because nakita mo na yung right solution and the good news coming here and everything now is doing fine for you. So, ang ganda ng pasok ng August mo. Two of Pentacles being clarified by the King of Cups. Yes, kaparatagan. Wow. King of Cups all about you. Parang calm, collected, maayos, at peace, kahit anong gulo ng paligid, pero si King of Cups, tahimik lang siya. Masaya siya sa buhay niya, hindi siya apektado ng tao sa paligid niya. Because balansin ang buhay mo eh. So napakaganda, ay balance will be restored in your life. Tahimik ka na, maayos ka na, payapa ang isip at puso mo, hindi ka nagpapa-apekto sa gulo ng outside world mo. And also your emotions ay hindi na nakaka-apekto sa decision mo, sa sinasabi mo, sa ginagawa mo. Everything's fine. Everything's quiet for you. Congratulations. Napakaganda ang outcome mo for the month. Ang ganda ng pasok ng iyong August, Sagittarius. Because bunga yan ng hard work mo, napakita mo na talaga nag-persevere ka and you will get the good result para sa buhay mo. Congratulations, Sagittarius. That is your July 2025 reading. Kaya diretso na tayo sa iyong isang tanong, isang sagot. Kung ano ang tanong mo for the month, kung ano ang mga bagay na gusto mong malaman para sa buwan na ito, para makalagpas ka sa... I'm hearing na this question from you. Isipin mo mabuti ha. Isipin mo mabuti, close your eyes. Kung ano man yung bumabagabag sa'yo para sa buwan na ito, itanong mo sa akin. Spirit guides, tulungan natin si Sagittarius na masagot ang kanyang tanong. Give me 2 cards that will clarify or answer his or her question for the day. Okay? You have 1 and you have 2. Bigyan din kita ng additional angel number or angel spirit answer para sa iyo para mas maging solidifying yung sagot sa iyo ng tarot cards. Ito yung mula sa angel guides mo for this month. Okay? You have 1 and you have 2. Okay? So, Sagittarius, open up your eyes. Inhale. And exhale. The answer to your question is you have the Queen of Pentacles in reversed. You have the Page of Swords. You have 3. There's something better. And you have unlikely. Okay. Sabi ng spirit guides mo, you are now stepping into a new life, a new idea, or new person o new thing sa buhay mo na tinetread mo carefully o hirap na hirap ka tumulay dyan. Inaaral mo siyang mabuti. Pinag-sumikapan mo na makuha yan. Pinag-sumikapan mo na makamit. Lahat ng pwede mong alamin ginagawa mo para lang makuha siya. Pero sa Queen of Pentacles kasi naka-reverse eh. Ibig sabihin, sabi ni Spirit Guides, baka hindi ito yung para sa'yo. I'm hearing this something na parang unsettling dyan. Parang this not for you or this not will in the long run, kung makuha mo man yan, parang hindi ito magpapaligaya sa'yo. Okay? Parang meron ka pang dapat malaman this time na, okay, siguro nga hindi para sa akin to, kailangan ko pa ng ibang bagay. Kailangan ko pang yakapin yung ibang bagay o i-search pa yung ibang bagay because in the reverse card, hindi ka daw magiging maligaya dito o hindi ito yung mag-fulfill sa'yo. This is not enough for you. Kung trabaho man yung question mo, parang hindi enough yung sasweldohin mo dito o yung kikitain mo dyan na magiging valuable for you. Parang walang relaxation for you this time. Nakita ko na itong kukunin mo, itong tinatanong mo, parang this will not make you feel calm, this will not make you feel happy, or this will not make you feel relaxed. Parang sobrang anday mo pang bubuin o igagapang para sa bagay na ito kung itong yayakapin mo. Sabi rito, you should learn more new things. Okay? Marami ka pang kailangang isipin, buuin, hanapin na magbibigay sa iyo na mas karampatang sagot dyan sa tanong mo o dapat mong habulin kaysa dyan sa tinatanong mo. Nakita ko rin sabi ng yung angel guides, there's something better. Yes, kaya kailangan mo pa mag-research because there's something better for you. And unlikely daw tong tanong mo. Unlikely this time. Because parang hindi yan, yung total happiness mo, hindi mo daw mahanap dyan. Parang hindi ka mag-multiply dito. Parang hindi ka mag-grow dito. No? You need to find more. Find better. So there's something better daw para sa'yo, sabi ng angel mo. And this one that you're trying to ask is unlikely daw. So Sagittarius, that is the answer to your question, hopefully. And nasagot ko po ang inyong tanong. Sa po kayo nakarelate, sa po kayo nakarelate, comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. Thank you again for watching hanggang dulo. This has been James for James Taro PH. God bless everybody.